came to the tomb to anoint the body of Jesus after his death on the cross? From reading Mark chapter 16, verses 1 through 8. Mary Magdalene, Mary the mother of Jesus, and Salome discovered the stone rolled away as they approached the tomb. An angel told them that Jesus had indeed risen. Fearful, but perhaps excited, they ran back to alert the other disciples. We have and will experience things in this life that are difficult and fearful, but we have an assurance that we are not alone. Our faith to Christ can be tested when we are facing foreclosures on a home, a diagnosis of breast cancer, or even the death of a child or a loved one, for example. Even during these times is when we have to consciously draw close to Christ. Others may even question your faith or our faith level. Because we know that Christ lives, he conquered death. So surely he can conquer all of our problems as well. This lesson reminds us that on today, Resurrection Sunday, Jesus rose to overcome death. Jesus rose to stand as salvation for all. Jesus rose so that we can believe his word. Jesus rose so that our resurrected faith can operate as boldly as him. So your resurrection faith affects not just you, but it becomes a testimony to all. I am Kim Ballard, and this has been your daily home Bible reading.